Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by once again. In this one I'm going to be picking Matt's Lockpick challenge lock. He sent it along with 3 other locks, all being challenge locks, which I'll try and get through this week. This lock was very well put together, a lot of thought went into it. It was a very difficult pick, so let's see how I do. Straight in, bottom of the keyway tension. It has Ever's custom hook, short hook that is. I'm just going to start at the beginning. On 1, nothing. On 2, not getting jack. 3, click off 3, 2 clicks off 3, 4 clicks off 3, and then it goes dead. On 4, springy, 5 springy, 6 we had a little click. On 3 again, and back to the beginning. Something funny about 1, I can't put my pick on it to be honest. 2 had a nice click. 3 on 4 now, it's binding a little bit. It does give you a good false set this, it gives you a very small one first. That was 5. The back of the lock was 6 binding. 6, good few clicks off 6 there. Dragging me pick backwards just to hear for any clicks. You fell into a tiny false set. Just sort of felt a little bit of plug rotation. 3, and we're into a deeper false set. So let's go searching for some spool pins. On 4, good click off 4. On 5, and we're now in a really deep false set. Just going to hover over 6 at the back. Click off 6, nothing on 5, nothing on 4, nothing on 3. So I touched 1 and it really went for a good false set. So let's just see if we can work out the last pin, which I think is number 2. It's not number 2. Read up the front on 1. 1 doesn't want to go yet. 2. And on 3, nothing on 3. 4, 5, nothing on 6. I'm going to swap out to a bit of a deeper hook. So we're going to start at 1. Two. We'll go to the back. 6. Nothing. 5. Nothing. 4. Nothing. 3. I had a little bit of feedback off 3 there for some reason. 2, counter off 2. There we are, we've got the open. Matt, and I mean this mate, that's a cracking lock. Very well put together mate. I've had a bit of a play with this before I made this video and it didn't pick like, so that's the fastest time I've had it. I said when I first got it mate, it took us nearly half an hour to get it the first time. But yeah mate, thanks very much for that lock. I can't wait to see what's inside it. I'm going to move the vise to one side. So that's it there, Matt's Lockpick. It is number 3. So let's have the hook set out. Get my pinning tree out. Readjust the camera. Get some decent light. And we'll see what's in this bad boy. Zoom out a bit. Give us a bit of space to work. Right, first things first. Should we have a look at the key first, or should we not have a look at the key? I'd like to have a look at the key. I'd love to see what the key bitting's like. So I'm going to keep that till last. So we'll keep that to one side. We'll lock it back up. Lovely lock though, mate. Let's just see if this is going to work. Wasn't too bad. Right, I'm going to have to open the bloody thing in now because I've locked the lock. Never mind. Shit happens. Let's see how easy it is to get this bad boy off. I'll get me little knife out from William Mansell's winnings that I did the other day. Comes in handy. I haven't done the misses in with it yet, but sweet. Right, put the lock to one side for a second. Let's just the bitting on the key. One of them bad boys. And then that there is some stack of pins there. You've got in the one position, you've got a standard, but you've got this lovely T-pin / serrated / bloody spool pin. In two, you've got a serrated key pin, and you've got a full-on serrated pin in pin, and he's even put the spring on the inside. That's attention to detail, that is, buddy. Number 3 is a serrated and a serrated driver. 4 is kind of like a bottle pin / spool, and then on top you've got, which looks like a pawn, but it's a serrated pawn. Then you've got a multi-serrated driver with a standard pin underneath, and then this one's like half a, well, it looks like a beer bottle, to be honest. And then you've got this, either a deep serrated pin or a spool in there, whichever which way you want to use, call it really. And then you've got brass, steel, and a chopped steel spring there. Again, mate, absolutely fantastic lock that you've made. It's up there with the best that I've received so far, without a doubt. Like, I'm really impressed with that. And even the plug, that's all been threaded in 2, 3 and 5. Let's just see what's in here. See if you've did anything to that. I don't think you did. No. Where's the key? Box. Matt's Lockpick. Sorry. Box of frogs, that was called. Matt, again, thank you very much for the lock. Obviously stands out you're a locksmith, buddy. And keep an eye out in the post for my lock that I'll be doing you next week, mate, at some point. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please hit the subscribe button. I try to do 2 to 3 videos a week, and it's always nice to have your comments left beneath. Sorry the gutting got fudged up. These things happen. I'm gonna have to treat myself to some more followers, but yeah, all good.